Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to quickly talk about Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage. This is one of the coolest toys I ever got for my kid. He absolutely loves it. To be honest, like it's got everything. It doesn't come with the cars, but you can buy them individually. You can park them over here, as you can see. And then I've got a video where I assembled this all. It took me about 25 to 30 minutes. It does take some time, unfortunately, but once you got it all together, it will basically look like this. And kids, especially if they're like 4, 5, 6, they will love this. Honestly, if you get this for Christmas or for their birthday, it's one of the most one of the best toys I think that I got my son, and he absolutely adores it. He's literally stuck in his room. He's playing this every day. He's off the computers, which is good, off the social media and everything. So this is what he's playing at the moment, and it's been really good, guys. The other thing is that that I had to do after assembling the whole thing, it's the stickers. It's really cool. It's got like Hot Wheels stickers, the Ultimate Garage. I think this is the second version. There's a first version that came out before this, but this is really, they've really improved the second version. It's got like a little, over here for example, is the petrol station where they basically fill up. They pull up into the garage, they fill up with petrol, and then off they go. And over here, this is the coolest thing that I wanted to show you, which is you put one of the cars here. Let's see if this works. You put one of the cars here, and then what you do is you press this, and boom, there it goes. It's supposed to go on the dragon's mouth. If you can get it in there, that's the bullseye. So let's try another one. Let's see. Oh, maybe we could try 2 actually. Let's put 2 at a time. See if this works. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, my son always gets it. I don't know. This is my first time trying it, but let's see. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, we got one. Ha, nice one. Let's try another one. The dragon head is supposed to go down, guys. I don't know why it didn't, but I want to try another time and see if it does. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, there you go. Didn't go in the mouth. Well, another one is going down the track, but the track is closed. What's going on? Okay, I think the car is going the wrong way. It's supposed to go this way. All right, that's stuck. Well, let's get the dragon up. So once the dragon goes down like that, guys, it's got a little lever here. So you pull it up, you give it a little power, and then it basically comes back up with its mouth open. So let's give it that another go and see if it will go down again. Let's put this car in there. Maybe get the Batmobile. Batmobile, guys. This is so cool. We'll try this one. It's supposed to be really fast. Okay. All right, one more time. Let's go. Dragon's mouth. No, didn't go. Okay, one more time. Oh, look. The wings are off. Haha. Gotta put them back on. Right, one more time. Whoa, there we go. Boom, we got him. We got him for the second time. All right, let's get this bad boy back up. One more thing I wanted to show you guys was basically this lever that shoots the cars out can literally move levels. So if you want to put cars in the parking lot, there's a parking space there. There's parking space over here. There's parking space over there as well. And also down here. So you can leave your cars wherever you want. Look how many there is over here. Literally, like, you can park about 5, 6 cars just over here. It's really, really cool. But let's go back to this lever. So once you have it up here, it will shoot the car all the way, like you've seen earlier, into the dragon's mouth if you can get it in there. But then also, it's got another level. As you can see, it will shoot the car up this hoop and then go around. Okay, so let's give that a go, because I've never really tried that, and see how that goes. Right, so let's put a car in there. Let's get a really, really fast one. This looks like a Formula 1 car. Look at that. Wow, this is gonna fly off, I think. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment in the comment box. Let me know. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Gotcha. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, what happened there? Oh my God, there was another car just parked up over here and it blocked it. Okay, all right. Let's see. Let's give this another go. Come on. Formula One car. Here. Actually, I want to change that one. I want to park it up right here. And I want to get another Formula One lookalike car and put it in there and see how they do against each other. It's like Lewis Hamilton and someone else in F1. Let's see. Wow, that was cool. I don't know where that went, but you get the gist, guys. You can move the level wherever you want. You can put it down here. Let's see where this goes. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that just went under the door, guys. It went all the way to the other room. Jesus, okay, cool. Well, you get the gist, guys. You know what this does now. So, right, another level I think I didn't see is this one. This should be cool too. Let's see what this does. It tumbled over. Okay, well, you know what this does. This is the coolest toy I've ever seen so far on the market at the moment. Kids will love this. Let me know what you think. So you get the gist, guys. This is a cool toy. I would really recommend it, to be honest, if you're looking for the next Christmas present or the birthday present for your son or daughter. This is really cool. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment box, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I'll get back to you. But guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. It would reach so many more people out there, so many more kids and parents who are looking to buy toys for Christmas or don't know what to get for their children, because sometimes you just get stuck and you just don't know what they want. They make a list, but then it's a list of things that they might already have. So if you have any questions, just put it in the comments, and please do subscribe so we can reach millions and millions of other parents out there and kids. Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas and enjoy it.
The dragon,
yeah,
like, it's really cool because, you know, like, when you hit it, like, it goes all the way down.
Are you meant to put it in the mouth or?
You're supposed to hit it here.
Oh,
then so you see what happens.
Show me what happens when you hit that. Oh, okay. Cool stuff, man.